In this video, I'll show you how to make a graph on Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So firstly, make a blank spreadsheet on your Google Sheets. Once you tap on it, then it will create a blank sheet for you. Now fill up your data in any of the columns. So I'll just fill up a sample data here in order to show you how to create a graph. Once you fill up your data, as you can see, I have typed here students' names, and the next column I have typed here marks. So to create a graph of it, we just need to select both the columns by dragging left click on it, and now tap on insert, then click on chart, and there you go. I have successfully made a graph on my spreadsheet. You can edit this chart from this right panel. You can see I can change the chart type. If you want to have a pie chart, then select it. Multiple chart types are here. Line graph you can see here, and you can scroll here to find multiple types of graphs. Suppose you want to have this column chart, then just click on it and then your graph will be changed. If you want to increase the size of your graph, then select your graph and drag any of the corners according to your need, and your graph size will be increased. You can customize your whole graph by tapping on this customize tab, and under series you can change the color of your graph. If you want to have a red bars, then select it and your color of the graph will be changed. Now to close the chart editor, tap on the cross icon and your panel will be removed. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.